Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not loading on your Xbox console. First, let's start with the simplest solution, a full console restart. Press and hold the Xbox button on your controller for 10 seconds until the console powers down completely. After about 30 seconds, press the Xbox button again to power it back on. This often clears temporary glitches, allowing Roblox to load smoothly once more. Next, we should check your internet connection, as a weak signal often prevents games from loading. Go to your Xbox settings, then navigate to network settings to test your connection. If issues persist, try power cycling your Wi-Fi router. Simply unplug it for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait for all the lights to stabilize before trying Roblox again. A strong, stable connection is vital for gameplay. If the issue persists, clearing Roblox's local save data might help. Go to My Games and Apps, select Roblox, press the menu button and choose Manage Game and Add-ons. From there, select Save Data and clear it. If this doesn't resolve it, completely uninstall Roblox, then reinstall it from the Xbox store. This ensures you have a fresh installation, often resolving deeper file corruption problems. Finally, make sure your Xbox console system software is fully updated. Go to Settings, then System, and select Updates and Downloads to check for any pending updates. An outdated system can sometimes cause loading problems. If you've tried all these steps and Roblox still won't load, consider reaching out to Roblox support or Xbox support for personalized help. They can offer more specific troubleshooting guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.